So guys, Brian, East London, back at you, mate. Another day in East London Printers. Got some positive news today. I'd say positive anyway. We're moving in the right direction. Got a message from Resolute today. So shout out to you, Colin. He's going to look into it and see what they can do to assist me with this, because even he finds it's too dear himself. So hopefully we're going to get this sorted out. Just hoping that even Ricoh would see it and take some compassion. I mean, it makes a lot of sense, innit? You know, a software glitch should be rectified. It shouldn't have to purchase new hardware to sort out software glitch, or even pay through the nose for it, for that matter. So yeah, I just thought I'd just keep you guys updated. I'll post more updates and let you know how we go on with this. In the meantime, my DTG is parked up, mate, parked up, and he's sitting there doing not a lot, taking up quite a bit of space. Been browsing a few other DTGs today as well. I've seen that new Epson, looks quite sick. Anyone know anything about that? Anyway, peace out.
You